Today we're going to sing along with I've Been Working on the Railroad, edited by Anne Owen. And it says, what do you see when you sing a song? Does the music come in colors? What do you do when you sing a song? Does the melody make you dance? What do you hear when you sing a song? Do the words tell a story? Let's explore the sights and sounds of one of our favorite songs. I've been working on the railroad all the livelong day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Can't you hear the whistle blowing? Rise up so early in the morn. Can't you hear the captain shouting? Dinah, blow your horn. Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow? Dinah, won't you blow your horn? Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah. Someone's in the kitchen, I know. Someone's in the kitchen with Dinah, strumming on the old banjo and singing fee-fi, fiddly-I-O, fee-fi, fiddly-I-O, fee-fi, fiddly-I-O, strumming on the old banjo.